An output type of question based on while loop. Step 1. Memory should be allocated for the global variables. So above the main function 4 variables are there. Allocate memory for these 4 variables. So memory allocated for UA, UB, UC and fail. By default a global variable contains 0. So these memory locations contain 0 by default. Second step, execution of a C++ program starts at the main function and it ends at the main function. Int I is equal to 2. Memory should be allocated for I. It contains the initial value 2. Now while loop, condition checked. I contains 2, so 2 less than or equal to 5, condition true, control comes inside. Here multiple operations are there to be performed. Switching the answer is one operation, postfix is the second one. What is the rule of postfix? Use and change, which means the current value for I should be used for switch, so I contains 2, so 2 should be used for switch. After that I plus plus. So when you make use of 2 for switch, control goes to case 2. So plus plus UA. Here there is only one operator, so no need to apply any precedence rule. Simply execute this. Plus plus 0, it becomes 1. There is no break statement, so control goes to next case. Here there is no statement, even the break statement is not there, so control goes to next case. UB plus plus, here also there is only one operator, so no need to apply any priority rule. Simply execute this. 0 plus plus, it becomes 1. There is no break statement, control goes to next case. Plus plus UC plus plus 0, it becomes 1. There is no break, so control goes to next case. Default. Fail plus plus, so 0 plus plus, it becomes 1. So the current value for I, which is 2, is used for switch. Now I plus plus, so I plus plus 2 plus plus I becomes 3. Now this cout statement is inside while loop, because this is the opening curly bracket for while loop and this is the closing curly bracket. So here you get the first line of answer. Cout output operator UA, so in the monitor you get the answer 1. Backward slash T means 4 space. UB contains 1. Again 4 space UC contains 1. Again 4 space followed by fail. Variable fail contains 1. And because of this end L, the cursor goes to next line. Now after executing this cout, control comes here. I contains 3, so 3 less than or equal to 5. Condition true. Condition true, so control comes inside. Now here multiple operations are there. Postfix, use and change, meaning the current value for I, which is nothing but 3, should be used for switch. After that I plus plus, so 3 should be used for switch, which means control goes to case 3. No statement, even the break is not there, so next case, case 4. UB plus plus 1 plus plus 2. There is no break. Case 5. Plus plus UC plus plus 1 2. There is no break, so default. Fail plus plus 1 plus plus 2. So the current value for I, which is 3, is used for switch. Now I plus plus, so 3 plus plus I becomes 4. Here you get the second line of answer. Cout output operator UA, so you get 1 followed by 4 space UB contains 2. Followed by 4 space UC contains 2. Followed by 4 space fail, variable fail contains 2. And because of end L, the cursor goes to next line. Now after executing this, control comes here. Your variable I contains 4. So 4 less than or equal to 5, condition true, control comes inside. Postfix, use and change. I contains 4. 4 should be used for switch, so case 4. UB plus plus 2 plus plus 3. There is no break. Case 5. Plus plus UC plus plus 2 3. There is no break, so default. Fail plus plus 2 plus plus, it contains 3. So the current value for I, this one, that is 4, is used for switch. Now I plus plus, so I becomes 5. Here you get the next line of answer. Output operator UA, it contains 1, followed by 4 space UB, it contains 3, followed by 4 space UC, that contains 3, followed by 4 space variable fail contains 3, and because of end L the cursor goes to next line. Now after C out, again the control comes here. What does I contain? 5. So 5 less than or equal to 5, condition true, control comes inside. Postfix, use and change. So I should be used for switch. What does I contain? 5. So 5 should be used for switch. Case 5 plus plus UC plus plus 3 4. There is no break, default, fail plus plus, so 3 plus plus 4. Now after that I plus plus, so 5 plus plus I becomes 6. Here you get the next answer. Output operator UA contains 1, followed by 4 space UB contains 3, followed by 4 space UC contains 4, followed by 4 space fail, your fail contains 4, and because of end L the cursor goes to next line. Now after C out, because of while loop statement repeats, what's the current value for I? It is 6. So 6 less than or equal to 5, condition wrong, you exit from while loop, and here the program terminates. So for this program, this is the output.